Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save with the right credit card from Discover, beginner guide step by step clearly. Choosing the right credit card can significantly impact your savings. Discover offers a variety of credit cards tailored to different needs. Start by assessing your spending habits. Consider where you spend the most money each month. If you frequently dine out, look for cards that offer rewards for restaurants. For grocery shoppers, find options that provide cashback on grocery purchases. Next, explore the different types of Discover cards available. Discover It Cashback is popular for its rotating categories. This card allows you to earn 5% cash back on specific categories that change quarterly. The Discover It Miles card is ideal for travelers. This card earns unlimited 1.5 miles per dollar on every purchase. After identifying a few suitable cards, examine their reward structures closely. Read the terms to understand how and when you earn cash back or miles. Take note of any bonus offers for new cardholders. Many cards offer cash back in the first year, doubling your rewards. Next, review the annual fees of each card. Some Discover cards have no annual fee, maximizing your savings potential. Consider the interest rates listed for each card. If you plan to carry a balance, aim for a card with a lower annual percentage rate, or APR. Once you've narrowed your options, apply online through the Discover website. The application process is straightforward and secure. Be ready to provide personal information, including your income and social security number. After submitting your application, wait for a decision. Discover typically gives immediate approval or denial. Once approved, activate your card and familiarize yourself with its features. Utilize the Discover mobile app to track your spending and rewards easily. Make sure to pay your bill on time to avoid interest charges. Maximize your savings by taking advantage of alerts and offers from Discover. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.